Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk EGR valve used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You should be able to see the EGR valve and its inlet conduit. There are a multitude of symptoms linked to an EGR breakdown. Loss of power, injection issues, appearance of warning lights. In order to access the EGR valve, it is necessary to remove the air intake duct from the turbo. To do this, using a ratchet and a size 7 socket, unscrew the duct clamp located behind the engine. Do the same with the clamp at the front of the engine, using an extender. Then, using a ratchet, an extender and a size 8 socket, unscrew the 2 screws that hold the duct to the motor. Now you can remove the intake duct. Using a ratchet and a size 8 socket, unscrew the 2 screws holding the air intake duct support. Then remove the bracket. When you're changing the EGR valve, we recommend removing the inlet conduit so that you can clean it. This will lengthen the life of your new valve. To do this, you must remove the black frame of the engine cover that is held on by 2 screws at its base using a socket wrench and an 8mm socket. Remove the conduit by combining a pull force with a lateral back and forward motion. Careful, if it is clogged up, the conduit may be rather hard to release. The EGR valve is held by 3 screws. One of them is located behind the valve and it is a little bit tricky to get to. Undo the 3 screws using an 8mm spanner and finish unscrewing by hand. Disconnect the power supply from the valve. To do this, push down on the plastic tab. The valve can sometimes be stiff to remove. You should be able to loosen it free by making lateral back and forth motions.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.
You can find the bulk parts and products used in the video in the Mr. Auto website and linked in the description. Take hold of your new EGR valve and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're both identical. Put the EGR valve back in place, ensuring that the seal is present. Once again, tighten the 3 screws by hand to begin with, and then finish the process off with a wrench. Reconnect the power. To clean the duct, we advise you to watch our video, Cleaning the EGR Valve Easily. Reassemble the inlet conduit. Simultaneously insert it fully into the 2 housings. Then screw by hand the black frame of the engine cover. Finish screwing in the black frame with a wrench. Replace the turbo air intake duct bracket, then screw it back on. Replace the intake duct. Screw the clamp on the front of the engine back on. Do the same with the one at the back of the engine. You can now screw the 2 screws holding the intake duct back in place. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.